had hot oatmeal before, just like cold overnight oats, so I'm really hoping I like this. Recipe needs work. I was looking at apartments last night and this new listing popped up that looked pretty cute from the photos, so I'm actually gonna go tour it right now. It's going to be a self-guided tour, so I'm just gonna call like the person, real estate agent, I don't know, and I guess he's gonna let me in somehow. I have been looking at apartments here and there just to get an idea of what I might like and to see if anything pops up, but I haven't been seriously looking because I don't really know what I want yet.
We like, yeah. I like and you like, so we like. I like and you like, so we like. I like and you like, so we like.
I just finished touring the place and I like it way more than I thought I would, which I was not expecting, because now I'm like, do I want to snatch it up or keep looking? I feel like I do need to look at other apartments within the next few days to see what I like, because right now this is the only one I've seen and so far it's nice, so I have nothing to compare it to.
Now we're the same but different. No, it ain't a problem. Yes, I'm glad we could talk. I like and you like, so we like. I like and you like, so we like. I like and you like, so we like. I like, you like, you like. I like and you like, so we like. I like, you like, you like. Now we're the same but different. No, it ain't a problem. Yes, I'm glad we could talk. Thought that we'd be busy, we ain't busy at all. Much love to everyone for canceling plans. Here you are, and here I am. Feeling superstitious about a beautiful thing. Crazy as it seems that you feel the same. Way too many thoughts that dance around in my brain.
I'm going to see the dentist right now. I'm hoping it'll be fine. It's the first time I'm going into like a doctor's office since the pandemic. I'm actually not as nervous as I thought I would be because I've been putting off seeing the dentist for a while now. I've had this like toothache, I'm pretty sure it's a cavity on this side, for at least I want to say half a year. So now it's gotten to the point where it's so painful that I just have to go do it. They told me I could only do an x-ray today, and then after that I have to take a COVID test to make sure I can come back to do like a cleaning and filling and all of that. So I did the x-ray and had my consultation. The x-ray didn't show anything major, but the dentist was looking at my teeth and saw small cavities exactly where I thought it was. And we're also going to do a deep cleaning where they have to like numb my mouth because I haven't come in for a cleaning in a while. I'm not going to say how long because even I'm a little bit ashamed of it. Like I used to go twice a year and was on top of it, but it's just been a little bit harder these past couple of years to find a good dentist. I have to get a COVID test tomorrow at like 9:30 in the morning, and it's the nasal swab one, which I haven't done ever before, so I'm not looking forward to it. I'm like, oh, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Just now waiting to get my COVID test. They told me to wait in the car and they're just gonna come out here and swab my nose.
Sandy Lynn?
Yes.
Here we go. Good.
Not as bad as I thought it would be, but also not as easy or painless. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking oily. I think it's because I just sprayed some hydrating. I used this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist because my skin was feeling like a tiny bit dry, and wow, is it freaking dewy. I'm gonna try and make the Crunchwrap Supreme with some veggie chicken. You know, the Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. Cindy and Osmond was actually talking about making this a while ago, and it made me want to make one too. It's what I usually do anyway. Now to add some salt, pepper, chili powder, and cumin. You're also supposed to add paprika, but I don't have any of that. Just want to cut up a little bit of this. I don't have any nacho cheese, which is fine because I'm not a big fan of cheese anyway, but I feel like it probably would have been really good for the sauce. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot sauce. Then we're gonna add on the tostada, light sour cream, the lettuce, lots of tomatoes, so it's been about 5 minutes and now I'm just going to flip it and we're done. It's like over 80 degrees this weekend in LA. Actually the past 3 to 4 days. I think tomorrow's gonna be cooler, but why is it 80 degrees in January? It's not okay. I love California weather, but I also love and miss rain so freaking much. It makes me really sad. I didn't get a lot of chicken yet. I was also trying this new gloss from Lawless, which is amazing. I really like it, so it's like all over my lips right now. Not bad. The veggie chicken comes with its own herbal seasoning. Usually it's not a problem for me, the herbal taste, but I think mixed with these different spices, it doesn't go well together. Like the herbal taste is just really strong. Herbal? Herby taste. Is that the same thing? I don't know. It's still so good though. And it's so easy to make. By the way, I'm on season 9 of Supernatural now. But man, I think it was season 7 and parts of season 8 were so hard to get through. At this point, I'm so close to the end that I might as well just finish it. This hat is so cute and fluffy. I got this like a month ago from Yes Style and it finally just came in and it's so cute. I got my COVID test results back today and I tested negative, so I am all set to see my dentist. I know this is probably stuff that you don't care about, but that's just what my life is right now. I have to make 3 separate dentist appointments, so that's pretty much going to consume a lot of my next couple of weeks. I wanted to update you all on the apartment hunt. I saw a total of 3 different locations. I didn't even show the options in the last one because they were just not what I was looking for at all. The first spot I really loved was like the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom place, and that one was located in Alhambra, which is still in the 626 area, and part of me still wants to stay in the 626 area because I love the food here, I love the community here, and I love that parking is easy, having Cody here is really easy, but it's still like a little bit further from the city and I've never really got to live in that city feel. The second place I looked at was in the Arts District, which is still pretty close to the 626. The units that got the most light that I was most interested in were just too small and they were like studios. What I really want is just like space big enough for me to film and create content, because I realized this past year I really just like making shit. Like I love making pretty things and things that are aesthetic and give off a vibe, and I really want a space that reflects that. I feel like this, maybe in the beginning when I moved in, it did do that for me, but now I'm like craving something new, and I think it's just human nature to like want to keep elevating in a way, evolving, because right now my living and workspace is kind of blended together, so it gets messy really easily and it's just not ideal for living and not fully ideal for working either. but I decided after talking to a few friends that I'm not in a rush and that I can wait to find the perfect spot. And now I do have a better idea of what I'm looking for. Now it's just kind of finding it. I want a space that has giant windows, Parisian aesthetic. I'll put in some photos from my Pinterest board that have been really inspiring me. I was really into like the retro Art Deco 80s vibe, so I think I want to like meld those two together for my next spot. That's just been kind of my thought process. I am putting like touring apartments on hold while I'm getting my dentist stuff done because I want to minimize risk as much as possible. That'll give me some time to save up some money as well to like really get a place that I like. If you have apartment hunting tips, let a girl know because this is only my second time doing it. I'm feeling really hopeful and excited for the new year, so good vibes, good things. Yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I know they're not as exciting as they used to be. I'm spending a lot of time just at home because of the pandemic. I hope you're still enjoying them. I'm doing my best. I'm, you know, trying to get into the groove of vlogging again, and I'm just excited to like make each vlog better than the last. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.